On February 24, 2022, the Treasury Department issued proposed regulations regarding beneficiaries of IRAs and other similar retirement accounts. In my previous remarks that were prepared before the proposed regulations were issued, I said that the earlier regulations for trusts as beneficiaries of RPAs were complicated, vague, and uncertain. Now the rules regarding trusts are still complicated, but not as vague and uncertain. The proposed regulations surprised us regarding required minimum distributions that must be made within 10 years after the account owner's death. In the video I prepared before the proposed regulations were issued, I said this:
the beneficiary has 10 years and no more to take the distributions of the full account balance. During the 10-year period, the beneficiary can choose from time to time to take any amount or amounts or no amount at all until the 10th year. In the 10th year, the beneficiary must withdraw whatever is in the retirement account. As has always been the case, as amounts are withdrawn, they are subjected to income tax.
I now take all of that back. The proposed regulations are telling us that this will not be the case. The proposed regulations surprised us, and now it's clear that during the 10-year period following the account owner's death, the beneficiary must take required minimum distributions annually in the same amounts as under the Pre-Secure Act rules. However, by the end of the 10th year after the account owner's death, the full value of the account must be distributed. Also, the proposed regs define new categories of trusts and beneficiaries. Depending on the category and whether your death occurs before or after your required beginning date, a different rule for determining required minimum distributions may apply. Carefully prepared documents and creative planning decisions and actions that can occur after the account owner's death may be required to assure that your beneficiaries get the best possible tax deferral result. The IRS will recognize such actions if properly made by the beneficiary finalization date, which is September 30 of the calendar year following the calendar year of the account owner's death.
In our next segment, we'll be talking about revocable living trusts, will substitutes, and probate avoidance. Thank you for watching.